Okay, well here we have Jules puppies, and they are 4 weeks old today. They're so very beautiful. I'm so excited about these puppies. I think Jules had a fabulous debut litter with Fabian, and we've got some very beautiful coats. The pigment is coming in very nicely for them. So we've got, I don't know if I'm going to get them to do anything for you today. Turn around. Kaylina. Kaylina, turn around, baby. This is Kaylina. So you can see her nose is starting to fill in. She's got very pretty pigment coming in all around her eyes. Nice coat. Yeah. And then this is little Cade, the little boy of the litter. And then back in the back is our Katana. Let me see if I can reach back there and get her. Katana, come here, baby. Come here, darling. Whoop. Maybe time to trim nails. I'm getting caught in the towel. Aw, there's a nice shot. Yeah, there's a nice shot. Just a minute ago, Kaylina and Cade were playing with each other. Are you gonna play? Huh? Would you play? Oh, this is like we don't know what that means. Get some toys here. What about some toys? Do you want some toys? Huh? What about this? There's a little duck. Do you want a little duck? Come back, Katana. Come back, Katana. There we go. Yeah, there they go. Now this time it's Katana and Cade playing, or no, Kaylina. Katana and Kaylina that were mouthing each other. Come back here, baby. Come back. Oh gosh. Get your little nail out. Oh gosh, she put her whole mouth over Katana's ear. Well, maybe not terribly playful right now, but at least you can see how beautiful and how big they're getting. So there you have Jules puppies, 4 weeks old.